In this video, I'll walk you through how to remove multiple or all of your Snapchat friends using an auto clicker without any effort. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to head over to Play Store and download an app called Click Assistant. So this is the Click Assistant, auto clicker Click Assistant that you need to install. It's the main app that you want to install in order to remove your friends. So once the Click Assistant is installed, you need to open the app. You need to agree to the prompts in the app, and then you have to enable the accessibility permission for Click Assistant. I have an MI app, so depending on your device the steps might vary. So we'll go to downloaded apps, Click Assistant, use Click Assistant, check this box, wait for the countdown to end, click OK. Once you have selected OK, you need to start the service. Close this prompt again and we'll go back to our home screen. Now what we'll do, we'll head to Snapchat, open our profile and go to My Friends. So once you are into your friends list, just click on this floppy icon in order to load the script. The script I have already saved, so I'll load the script. I'll click don't show again. Okay, got it. Click this download icon here, I agree, and select the script. This is the script. If you need this script, you can comment on this video and I'll share the script file. Now this script is loaded. Now I'll go back, open my Snapchat, go to My Friends, go here, click the play button. Okay, now what I have this, after you run this script, it will remove all of your friends. So in order to prevent my some of my friends from getting removed, I have added an A alphabet before the name, you can see in the beginning. So these are the friends that will be removed at the last. So I'll just scroll to the end of this screen. And click the play button. Click don't show again and play button once again, and you'll see that it will start removing your friends effortlessly. So what you'll need to do, you just keep your phone aside, wait for some time, and it will begin to remove your friends. Once all of your friends have been removed, you can just click this stop button at the top. So it will stop your script, and then click this cross button and click OK to stop everything. If you need to repeat it, you just need to launch the Click Assistant once again and follow all of these steps. So if you like this video, you can simply click the like button or comment if this works for you. If you have any issues with this process, you can comment and I'll try to solve that.